Let us start with next one. That is question number 23. So here they have given a reaction again. They have given what? Phenol. Phenol is reacted with what? Benzoyl chloride, that is C6H5COCl, in the presence of what? In the presence of base. First let us identify what is this X. So here what happens? We know that in phenol hydrogen is highly acidic. So this H plus will take away what? Cl. This is ionized as C6H5CO plus and Cl minus. This Cl minus will take away H plus to remove HCl. This is given with a benzene ring with O binded with C double bond O along with what? C6H5. This is X. So this X is subjected to what? Subjected to a reaction called as nitration reaction. So when it is subjected to nitration reaction means this nitration takes place in the presence of nitric acid along with sulfuric acid. Here, since the group is the very bulkier group that is present, here at ortho position nitro can bind, but the product will be in less yield. Here they are asking the major product. To get the major product, the nitro will bind at which position? Para position, that is O followed by C double bond O, C6H5. So this is the Y, which is nothing but the major product. Hence this can be, or the structure can be rewritten as, see, follow here, benzene ring with C, means this C6H5 is benzene ring, C followed by O followed by one more O, and this O is in link with what? Benzene ring, and this benzene ring is in link with NO2. Hence the correct option for the question is option A. This is the rewritten form of this particular structure. Okay, this is nothing but Y, which is given by option A. Next one, question number 24. 0.44 grams of a monohydric alcohol when added to methyl magnesium iodide in ether liberates at STP 112 cm cube of methane with PCC. The same alcohol forms a carbonyl compound that answers silver mirror test. Remember, if it is answering a silver mirror test means then it should contain which group? Aldehyde group. The monohydric alcohol is, okay, let us analyze with this. So what they are telling, it is an alcohol. First, alcohol is made to react with methyl magnesium iodide. So it is giving rise to methane along with the formation of magnesium alkoxy iodide. So here what they are telling, alcohol is how much mole? 1 mole. We don't know what is the mass of this alcohol. I'll consider it as X gram. 1 mole of alcohol is giving 1 mole of methane, which is nothing but gaseous phase, that can be considered as 22,400 cm cube at STP. And in the question it has been mentioned as how many grams? 0.44 grams of methane is giving how much methane? That is 112 cm cube of methane. By this I can identify what is the mass with reference to alcohol in terms of grams. When I calculate with this, the mass of alcohol, that is X, can be calculated as 0.44, cross multiply it into 22,400 divided by 112. When you calculate this, it is around 88 grams. So when we consider with the 4 given options, here it should be either, it has been mentioned that it should answer a silver mirror test. The monohydric alcohol is, so monohydric alcohol to answer a silver mirror test means alcohol should react with PCC to give a carbonyl compound, and here the alcohol should be a 1 degree alcohol. So when the alcohol is 1 degree in its nature, this 1 degree alcohol can give what? Aldehyde. When I consider the options, the 1 degree alcohol is given with option B, means option B is an 1 degree alcohol, and option D is also an 1 degree alcohol. Now the confusion arises, which is true, whether option B or option D. Here we have calculated that the mass of the alcohol is how much? That is 88 grams. When we check the mass of option B is given with what? CH3 thrice CH2OH. This is option B. And option D is given with what? That is CH3 twice CH2OH. This is option D. Now calculate the mass. So 3 carbons, 4, 5 carbons. Mass of carbon is 12. 12 5 is 60. 3 into 3, 9 hydrogens means 9 grams. 10 grams plus 2, 12 grams. Here mass of oxygen is 16. So this is nothing but 60, 70, 80. This is nothing but 88 grams. Check the mass of this. 2, 3, 4 carbons. 4 means 12 4s are 48. 3 into 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And oxygen is 16. Calculated. 40, 50, 60, 68. 68 plus 6. It is nothing but 74 grams. But how much we got? 88 grams. Hence, the correct answer for the given question is option B, which is given with 88 grams. So, the correct answer for this question is what? Option B. Next one, question number 25. Arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of their acidic strength. So, first one is given with what? Metanitrophenol. Let us write the structure. Phenol at meta position nitro, metanitrophenol. Second option is what? Metacresol. So metacresol means OH group. At meta position there should be methyl. This is metacresol. Next one, it has been given with phenol. So you know the structure of phenol. This is phenol. Next one is what? Metachlorophenol. So at meta position there should be which group? Chloro group, metachlorophenol. So here nitro group and chloro group are electron withdrawing. If the groups are electron withdrawing groups, hence acidic strength will be what? Maximum. Hence this is more acidic. So this should be the first one, which is more acidic. This should be the second one, which is a bit less as compared to nitro. And when we go through with the two other options, which is given with metacresol and phenol, phenol is more acidic. This should be third and this should be the last option. So when I arrange this in terms of the sequential way, the correct answer should be, this is the second option. Second option is less acidic. And after this, a bit more acidic is OH, which is nothing but the third option. And here next is followed with what? That is the fourth one, followed with first one. Or else you can write it as one is, this is the first option, this is the second option, this is the third option, this is the fourth option. Here which is more acidic? First option is more acidic. After this, which is more acidic? It should be fourth one. After fourth one, it should be what? Third one. After third one, it should be which? Second one. Hence, the correct option for the given question is option D.